Hey guys, so I wanted to go over a few division problems with you, but before I get going, let's take a look at our a few of the vocabulary terms that are important for what we're doing in division right now. So just to write down a simple division problem here, 45 divided by 5, we have the number that's inside our house, and that is our, as you recall, our dividend. And then, of course, we have our divisor. And the answer being 9 in this case, with division, is known as the quotient. So remembering that our divisor, our dividend, and our quotient here. So in your binder, you have in your math section yours may look a little bit different than this one, but you have your division book, your division notes with that's stapled together with multiple practice pages that we've been working on for a couple of weeks now. So if you turn to that first page you have that looks like this, let's just take D for example. 85 divided by 8. So remembering that you're looking at one digit at a time, so we're going to need an answer for this digit, and we're going to need an answer for this digit. And then also remembering that it's very important to keep our place values lined up, our ones and our tens. So we first want to ask ourselves, and we remember from our notes that we are following for the steps. We are following does McDonald's serve cheeseburgers? Divide, multiply, subtract, check, bring down. So let's start with divide. How many 8s go into 8? Well, we know, and we have our chart here to help us, that 1 8 goes into 8, so that's our does divide. McDonald's multiply, 8 times 1 is 8. Serve subtract, 8 minus 8 is 0. Cheese check, everything looks good. And burgers bring down that 5. Okay, so now it's like we have a whole new problem, 5 divided by 8. Now, we want to look at the D for divide. So how many 8s fit into 5? Well, we know that we can't fit a larger number into a smaller number, so we're just going to say 0 times. Remember that even if it's 0, if it doesn't fit, you can't leave it blank. You need an answer for each of your place values. So 0 would be the answer in this case. So we did our does divide. Now it's McDonald's multiply. 8 times 0 is 0. Serve subtract. Cheese check. Everything looks good. Burgers bring down. There's nothing to bring down. And again, we can't do 8 into 5, so that becomes our remainder. And right now we're just writing our remainder as R5. So that's just a quick 1-digit divisor and a 2-digit dividend example problem using our does McDonald's serve cheeseburgers. Okay, so I hope that helped if some of us are struggling with the 1-digit divisors. And I hope that I will be able to see you in person soon.